Celebrity Case Study 17, Rabindranath Tagore. Hi, welcome to Consciousness YouTube channel. This video is a continuing journey to explore the Vedic calendar system called Panchanga in practical ways to understand personality, career, and relationships. In this video, we examine the nature and personality of Rabindranath Tagore, who is renowned as a poet, philosopher, and polymath, known for his profound contributions to literature, music, and art. Rabindranath Tagore is celebrated as one of the greatest literary figures in modern Indian history. His works, including Gitanjali, have earned him international acclaim, and he was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Tagore's influence extends beyond literature to music, education, and social reform, making him a true Renaissance man. Ascendant Nakshatra, Revati, Pada 4, Vara, Tuesday, Mangalvara, Krishna Trayodashi, Karana, Yoga, Preet personality analysis based on Panchanga details. General personality characteristics. Ascendant Nakshatra Revati Pada 4. Rabindranath Tagore's personality is shaped by the compassionate and guiding qualities of Revati Nakshatra. Known for its focus on nurturing, guidance, and a deep connection to higher ideals, individuals born under Revati often seek to uplift and inspire others. Tagore may have exhibited traits such as a strong sense of empathy, a desire to serve and guide others, and a focus on spiritual and artistic expression. His life lesson involved finding nurturing and love with true companions, understanding that true care for others starts with being nourished and supported oneself. The fourth pada of Revati is associated with excessive dreaming, living in fantasy, and a need for nurturing and affection, highlighting Tagore's inclination towards idealism, creativity, and a deep emotional sensitivity. Vara, Tuesday, Mangalvara. Being born on a Tuesday, ruled by Mars, Mangal, Tagore is likely to have possessed a dynamic and assertive personality. Mars's influence would have enhanced his courage and determination, allowing him to pursue his creative and intellectual goals with vigor and confidence. This drive and resilience contributed to his ability to break new ground in literature, music, and social thought, making him a pioneering figure in many fields. Tithi. Krishna Trayodashi is associated with transformation, introspection, and the process of letting go. Individuals born on this Tithi often have a deep understanding of life's impermanence and a focus on using their insights to inspire others. Tagore's works, which often explore themes of love, loss, and the human condition, reflect this Tithi's influence as he sought to convey deeper truths through his art and philosophy. Karanagara. Karana is characterized by stability, dependability, and a focus on practical achievements. Individuals born under this Karana are often reliable and grounded, with a strong ability to manage responsibilities and to create order in their lives. Tagore's practical approach to education and social reform, along with his disciplined artistic output, illustrates the stability and practicality associated with Karana. Yoga Preeti. Preeti Yoga is associated with love, affection, and harmonious relationships. Those born under this yoga often have a kind and compassionate nature, with a strong focus on building meaningful connections with others. Tagore's reputation as a compassionate and empathetic thinker, and his ability to connect deeply with people through his writings and teachings, reflect the qualities of Preeti Yoga, as he used his art to inspire love, understanding, and harmony. Strengths 1. Profound creativity and artistic vision. Rabindranath Tagore's ability to express complex emotions and ideas through his poetry, music, and art made him a towering figure in Indian culture and beyond. 2. Compassion and empathy. The influence of Revati Nakshatra enhanced his desire to guide and support others, using his sensitivity and empathy to inspire and uplift. 3. Dynamic and assertive presence. Mangalvara instilled a sense of courage and determination, enabling him to pursue his creative and intellectual endeavors with confidence and resilience. 4. Introspection and depth. Krishna Trayodashi provided him with a deep understanding of life's complexities, allowing him to convey profound insights through his work. 5. Practicality and stability. Karana gave him the ability to balance his creative pursuits with a practical and structured approach, ensuring his contributions were impactful and sustainable. Drives. Desire for nurturing and compassion. Ravati's influence drives Rabindranath Tagore to seek meaningful connections and to use his creativity to guide and nurture others, channeling his compassion into his art and teachings. Commitment to dynamic action and influence. The influence of Mongol Vara encourages him to approach his goals with determination and assertiveness, using his dynamic energy to achieve his visions. Focus on transformation and renewal. Krishna Trayodashi motivates him to explore deeper truths and to use his insights to inspire change and to promote a greater understanding of the human experience. Stability and practical achievements. Gara Karana inspires him to use his practical skills to manage his responsibilities effectively, creating lasting impact through his disciplined efforts. Love and harmony. Preeti Yoga drives him to build harmonious relationships and to use his talents to inspire love and understanding, creating a legacy of compassion and empathy. Life lesson and path. Rabindranath Tagore's primary life lesson involved finding nurturing and love with true companions, understanding that true care for others starts with being nourished and supported oneself. His path was characterized by a commitment to personal and artistic growth, using his talents to inspire and uplift others through his works. This journey reflected the importance of balancing personal creativity and idealism with a focus on nurturing and supporting oneself. His profound insights, expressed through his poetry, music, and social thought, have left an enduring legacy, showcasing the power of using personal strengths and compassion to create transformative and meaningful impact in the world. Celebrity case study, Lee Iacocca. Hi, welcome to Consciousness YouTube channel. This video is a continuing journey to explore the Vedic calendar system called Panchanga in practical ways to understand personality, career, and relationships. In this video, we examine the nature and personality of Lee Iacocca, who is renowned for his remarkable leadership in the automotive industry and his role in the development of iconic cars like the Ford Mustang and the revival of Chrysler. Lee Iacocca is celebrated as one of the most influential figures in the automotive world. His innovative thinking, leadership skills, and ability to turn around struggling companies made him a legend in the business world, known for his impact on the automotive industry and his role as a visionary leader. Ascendant Nakshatra. Tithi, Krishna Tritiya, Karana, Vishti. Yoga, personality analysis based on Panchanga details. General personality characteristics. Ascendant Nakshatra Ravati. Lee Iacocca's personality is shaped by the compassionate and guiding qualities of Ravati Nakshatra. Known for its association with guidance, nurturing, and a deep sense of empathy, individuals born under Ravati often possess a desire to help and uplift others. Iacocca may have exhibited traits such as a focus on supporting and guiding others, an inclination towards innovation, and a strong sense of responsibility towards his community and industry. His life lesson involved finding nurturing and love with true companions, understanding that true care for others starts with being nourished and supported oneself. The different padas, quarters of Ravati bring varied traits: travel, teaching, and love for children, first pada; practical and ambitious nature, second pada; social engagement and secretiveness, third pada; and excessive dreaming, fantasy, and a need for nurturing, fourth pada. Vara Wednesday, Budavara. Being born on a Wednesday, ruled by Mercury, Uda, Lee Iacocca is likely to have possessed sharp intellect, strong communication skills, and a love for learning. His analytical nature and ability to communicate effectively would have contributed to his success as a leader and innovator. The influence of Budavara enhanced his strategic thinking and his capacity to articulate complex ideas, making him a powerful and persuasive leader. Tithi, Krishna Tritiya. Krishna Tritiya is associated with creativity, growth, and the exploration of new ideas. Individuals born on this Tithi often have a creative and innovative approach to life, with a focus on self-expression and achieving success through disciplined efforts. Iacocca's visionary thinking and his ability to turn around failing companies reflect this Tithi's influence, as he sought to push the boundaries of the automotive industry and to achieve excellence through his work. Karana, Vishti. Vishti Karana is by a focus on overcoming obstacles, intense energy, and the ability to challenge existing systems. Individuals born under this Karana are often resilient and determined, with a strong will to succeed despite difficulties. Iacocca's determination to navigate the automotive industry's challenges and his tenacity in reviving Chrysler from bankruptcy illustrate the strength and determination associated with Vishtikarana. Yoga? Vyapat. Vyatapat yoga is associated with sudden changes, obstacles, and the ability to navigate challenging situations with resilience and adaptability. Those born under this yoga often face significant challenges in life, but possess the strength and resourcefulness to overcome them. Iacocca's career, marked by both great successes and significant challenges, reflects the dynamic and resilient nature of Vyatapat yoga, as he used his experiences to transform setbacks into opportunities for growth and success. Strengths. 1. Innovative thinking and leadership. Lee Iacocca's ability to innovate and to lead organizations through challenging times made him a transformational figure in the automotive industry. 2. Sharp intellect and communication skills. The influence of Buddha Vara enhanced his strategic thinking and his ability to communicate complex ideas, making him an effective and persuasive leader. Creative vision and resilience. Krishna Tritiya instilled a sense of creativity and perseverance, motivating him to achieve success through innovative solutions and disciplined efforts. 4. Determination and tenacity. Vishtikarana provided him with the strength and determination to overcome obstacles and to persist in his efforts, even in the face of adversity. 5. Adaptability and resourcefulness. Vyatapat yoga gave him the resilience and adaptability to navigate sudden changes and to use challenges as opportunities for growth and success. Drives, desire to guide and support. Ravati's influence drives Lee Iacocca to use his leadership and innovation to guide and support others, both in his professional and personal life. Commitment to strategic thinking and learning. The influence of Buddha Vara encourages him to use his intellect and communication skills to articulate his vision and to lead with clarity and purpose. Focus on creative problem solving. Krishna Tritiya motivates him to approach challenges with creativity and innovation, using his skills to find new solutions and to push the boundaries of his industry. Resilience and tenacity. Vishtikarana inspires him to persist in the face of adversity, using his strength and determination to overcome obstacles and to achieve his goals. Adaptability and growth. Vyat yoga drives him to embrace change and to use his experiences as material for growth and transformation, turning setbacks into opportunities for success. Life lesson and path. Lee Iacocca's primary life lesson involved finding nurturing and love with true companions, understanding that true care for others starts with being nourished and supported oneself. His path was characterized by a commitment to leadership and innovation, using his talents to transform the automotive industry and to inspire others through his work. This journey reflected the importance of balancing personal ambition with compassion and a focus on nurturing meaningful relationships. His resilience and vision have left a lasting legacy in business and leadership, showcasing the power of using personal strengths and determination to create transformative impact in any field.